Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing files and opening them in an editor that shows layers and metadata. Make a duplicate so you never alter the original. This preserves evidence. Once done, enable layers, channels, and the histogram so you can see hidden alpha or adjustments. Now inspect the metadata panel to look for embedded text or comments. If you find extra layers labeled text or hidden, select them. Make sure to save a working copy and proceed to isolate the hidden elements. Next, you reveal how the hidden text is embedded and remove it carefully. Begin by unhiding every layer and looking for text or vector objects. Rasterize, then delete text layers to avoid remnants. If text is in a mask or alpha channel, clear the mask or paint it out on the alpha channel and reapply. Once visible elements are handled, export using an option that strips metadata and hidden data. Flatten only after confirming no hidden text remains. This prevents accidental persistence of removed content. Finally, you finish and verify that hidden text is gone. Export the image as PNG or JPEG with metadata disabled, and keep backups of both original and cleaned files. Once saved, reopen the exported file and recheck layers, channels, and metadata viewers to confirm nothing remains. If after all this you still see artifacts or hidden content, make sure to scan with steganography detection tools and inspect file history. Sometimes text is embedded in least significant bits and needs specialized extraction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.